Alright, y'all, we are going to go ahead and start on our homework for this week. Our focus for vocabulary is content, words, animals. Go ahead and put your name at the top, because I will be giving a copy to everyone in 4th grade. Here. Today is the 11th. Let's go ahead and go ahead and put the due dates for each assignment. This assignment is going to be due tomorrow. And that's Tuesday to 12. The second half is going to be due Thursday. You should be writing this down. And that is Valentine's Day, 2/14. 2/14. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your words. They are all related to animals in some way. Repeat them after me. Ram.
Ram.
You. That's not ooh, it's you. Stallion.
Stallion.
Mare.
Mare.
Cob.
Cob.
Pen.
Pen.
Buck.
Buck.
Doe.
Doe.
Billy.
Billy.
Nanny. What you have here are the male and female animals with special names. Okay, so a male sheep is called a
Ram. Nanny.
A female sheep is called a ewe. A male horse is a
Stallion.
A female horse is
Mare.
A cob is a what type of swan?
Male.
Male swan, while a pen is a female. If you are speaking of a female deer, it's a
Doe.
but a male deer is a
Buck.
you call a female goat a
Nanny.
and a male goat a
Billy.
Alright, so this next piece is just completing the chart. They've most of them have left off just one. You might have to fill in 2 areas. So we'll go ahead and do the first row together. The animal is deer. They've already given us the male version, which is buck. What's a female deer?
Doe.
And that's what you would fill in for number 1. You're going to do the same thing with sheep. Look at horse. Horse has both of them, but make sure you put them in the correct category. 5 and 6 don't give you the animal, but they give you the male or female version. So there's Billy, Nanny. You've got to tell me what type of goat that is, and then we have a cob. So you have to figure out what goes with cob, what's the female form of it, and then what animal that is. For 1 through 3 down here at the bottom, you are going to either answer with the female or male version. So for number 1 here, you're either going to answer buck or doe. For number 2, you're going to write Billy or Nanny. And for number 3, you're going to write ram or ewe. Okay, I'm just having an understanding of which ones are male and which one are female. Looking at your assignment that is due on Thursday, let's go ahead and write our little reminder here to use our context clues. And you are going to have to use some context clues to understand what they're talking about. The white blank lifted his wings as he came out of the water. Okay, well, the fact that I've got wings here already knocks out the goats, knocks out the deer because they don't have wings, right? Knocks out the horse and the ram. So I'm really just looking at the swan. But I'm not going to say the white swan. I've got to use one of these words. Well, when I go back, it says his wings and he came out of the water. So would I use cob or pen?
Cob.
Cob, because a cob is a male swan. Boys and girls, I am taking off 2 points for each for each misspelled word. There's really not an excuse because it's up here for you, so take your time. All right? Make sure you're taking care of 1 through 4. You should only be checking one box for each one of these. Don't check it and then put an X over it. And the writing to learn is not required. You could get 5 bonus points added to your reading score. It says write a story about a visit to a farm. Use at least 3 vocabularies in your story. It's not required though, so if that's not your jam, go ahead and mark it out. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask me. I'm going to get ready to turn this into a YouTube video and send it to your parents.